Imagine turning your living room, bedroom, or backyard into a personal cinema without breaking the bank. The Wepvo YG300Plus Max, a compact yet powerful Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled portable projector, is designed to do just that. Whether you're streaming movies from your smartphone, mirroring content from your tablet, or gaming with friends, this 1080p mini projector offers stunning clarity, immersive audio, and effortless wireless connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth 5.4, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a brightness upgrade that outshines the competition, it's no wonder the YG300Plus Max is gaining rapid popularity. In this review, we'll explore how this little powerhouse punches above its weight, delivering big screen thrills in a lightweight, user-friendly design. Ready to ditch your tiny phone screen and go cinematic? Let's dive in. Stylish, compact design for true portability. Right off the bat, the Wepvo YG300Plus Max impresses with its ultra-compact design and eye-catching mint green finish. It's lightweight, portable, and built to fit seamlessly into modern lifestyles. Weighing under 2 pounds and small enough to hold in one hand, this projector is ideal for those who want entertainment on the go. Whether that means a backyard movie night, a camping trip, or simply sharing content in different rooms of your home. Despite its size, the projector is durable, with a form factor designed for tabletop, ceiling, or tripod mounting. It's also easy to pack and store, making it a fantastic travel companion. Full HD 1080p for crisp, detailed visuals. Most mini projectors in this price and size range sacrifice resolution for portability, but the Wepvo YG300Plus Max bucks that trend with its native 1920 by 1080 resolution. That means you're not just getting scaled up 720p, you're getting true full HD clarity. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or giving a presentation, the visuals are sharp, colorful, and immersive. The projector uses LCD display technology, known for its energy efficiency and color fidelity, and supports a maximum throw distance of 17 feet for large, cinema-like projections. For smaller spaces, the minimum throw distance of 3 feet still delivers a vibrant 40 to 50-inch display. Wireless screen mirroring made easy. The projector supports both wireless and wired screen mirroring, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iOS, Android, and Windows 10 systems. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5.8G, wireless screen sharing is smoother and more stable with reduced lag and faster load times. Whether you're streaming YouTube videos from your phone, sharing TikToks, or mirroring your laptop screen for a presentation, the wireless connection setup is user-friendly. It requires just a one-time connection with no need for third-party apps or dongles. For those who prefer a more stable link or are using older devices, wired mirroring via USB-C or Lightning cable is also supported. Just make sure to use the official data cables from your device's manufacturer for best results. Tip: Android users may need additional setup for wired mirroring. If issues arise, Wepvo offers prompt customer support to walk you through the process. Built-in Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless audio. The built-in stereo speakers deliver adequate sound for casual viewing, but what really sets the YG300Plus Max apart is its Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This allows you to wirelessly connect to Bluetooth speakers, headphones, or soundbars for a more immersive experience. Bluetooth 5.4 offers low latency and faster synchronization, so your audio stays perfectly in sync with the visuals, something that older Bluetooth versions often struggled with. It's worth noting, however, that Bluetooth is only available for audio output, not for connecting smartphones for screen mirroring. Upgraded brightness and eye-friendly display. The YG300Plus Max is not just an incremental update, it's a full-blown 2024 upgrade from Wepvo. Compared to other projectors with similar specs, it offers up to 60% more brightness, making it suitable for dimly lit rooms or shaded outdoor settings. But it's not just about being brighter. The projector's upgraded optics also reduce eye strain by emitting softer light that's easier on your eyes. This makes it especially useful for long viewing sessions with kids or for late-night movie marathons. Plug-and-play compatibility across all devices. Another area where this projector shines is its broad compatibility. With multiple ports, including HDMI, USB, 3.5mm audio jack, and USB Type-C, you can connect everything from laptops and desktop PCs, gaming consoles, PS5, Xbox, Switch, streaming sticks, Fire TV, Roku, Chromecast, DVD players, smartphones, and tablets. You can even plug in a USB flash drive directly to play videos or photos. Video formats supported include MKV, MOV, AVI, MP4, MPG, RMVB, VOB, TS, 3GP, FLV, making it a versatile multimedia hub. Plug-and-play setup and intuitive controls. Setting up the YG300Plus Max is refreshingly simple. It comes with a remote control, button control panel, and user-friendly on-screen menu. Whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, the process is streamlined from power on to projection. You can manually control the projector from the unit or sit back and operate it from across the room with the responsive remote. Plus, support for ceiling mounts and tripods means you can install it permanently or move it freely based on your needs. Safety certified and backed by global standards. With certifications from FCC, CE, ROHS, UKCA, and PSE, you can trust that the YG300Plus Max meets strict safety and performance standards. These approvals ensure safe electrical operation, eco-friendly materials, long-term reliability. It also reflects Wepvo's commitment to providing a secure and dependable product. For extra peace of mind, it's backed by Amazon's 30-day return policy and a warranty from the manufacturer. Real-world use cases. Here are just a few ways users are enjoying the Wepvo YG300Plus Max. Backyard movie nights. Bring the drive-in experience home. Just hook up a Bluetooth speaker, stream a movie from your phone, and project onto a blank wall or screen. Gaming on the big screen. Connect your console via HDMI and enjoy immersive, lag-free gaming in full 1080p HD. Camping and travel. Its compact size and lightweight build make it a favorite for RV trips or campsite movie nights. Classroom and office presentations. Portable enough for travel, but powerful enough to display crisp slides and videos during business meetings or lectures. Streaming from phones and tablets. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube, and Netflix via TV sticks or screen mirroring. Pros and cons. Check. Pros. Native 1080p resolution for sharp and clear visuals. Compact and portable, great for travel and home. Wireless and wired screen mirroring. Bluetooth 5.4 for external audio devices. Built-in stereo speakers. Supports multiple file formats. Easy to set up and operate. Wide compatibility with devices and platforms. Certified safe and reliable. Warning symbol. Cons. Brightness is good for dim rooms, but may not compete in bright daylight. No built-in app store. Must use external device like Fire Stick for Netflix, etc. Wired screen mirroring for Android can be finicky without official cables. Speaker volume is sufficient, but may benefit from Bluetooth audio enhancement. Final verdict. Is the Wepvo YG300Plus Max worth buying? Absolutely. For under $100, the Wepvo YG300Plus Max offers a nearly unbeatable combination of portability, full HD resolution, wireless connectivity, and user-friendly design. It's perfect for casual users who want a flexible, compact solution without sacrificing quality. Whether you're watching blockbusters in the backyard, gaming with friends, or delivering a polished presentation, this mini projector punches well above its weight class. Add in the upgraded brightness, Bluetooth 5.4 audio, and full certification, and you've got a smart investment for home entertainment or on-the-go fun. Ready to light up your next movie night? Check out the Wepvo YG300Plus Max on Amazon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.